Nouns can play a fascinating role in our sentences, especially when they function as the complement of a verb. This happens when a noun follows a linking verb or a state of being verb and doesn't receive any action from that verb. Instead, it serves to rename or provide more information about the subject. Let's break this down. Linking verbs connect the subject of a sentence to additional information about that subject. Some common linking verbs include is, are, am, was, were, be, seem, become, and even sensory verbs like taste, smell, and feel. For example, consider the sentence, "The sky is blue." Here, blue is an adjective, but if we say, "The sky is a canvas," the noun canvas is functioning as the complement of the verb is. It tells us what the sky is being described as, without the action of the verb affecting it. Let's look at more examples. She is a doctor. In this case, doctor is the noun complement that tells us what she is. Similarly, they are champions. Here, champions complements the verb are, giving us a clearer picture of who they are. Another example, my brother became a chef. The noun chef complements the verb became, indicating the new identity of my brother. Or take the flowers smell sweet. While sweet is an adjective, if we say the flowers are a delight, delight serves as a noun complement, enhancing our understanding of the flowers. Now, how do you identify a noun functioning as a complement? A good tip is to look for the linking verb in the sentence. Ask yourself, what is the subject being described as? If the answer is a noun that follows the linking verb, then you've found your complement. For instance, in she is the president, the noun president follows the linking verb is and provides essential information about she. Let's throw in a few more examples for clarity. The cat is a menace. Here, menace is the noun complement. He was a hero. In this case, hero complements the verb was. They are friends. The noun be friends gives us insight into the relationship between they. Remember, the key is that the noun complement doesn't receive action. It simply renames or describes the subject. This distinction is crucial in understanding how sentences are structured and how meaning is conveyed. So, next time you're writing or reading, keep an eye out for those linking verbs and the nouns that follow them. You might just find a whole new layer of meaning in your sentences.